Sirloin steak.
This video is sponsored by Skillshare.
Hi everyone, my name is Anna and today we are making ramdon noodles from Parasite, or Jjapaguri as we call it in Korea. I mentioned in my convenience store mukbang video, which if you haven't watched that, go watch it, that I will be making these properly, and today we have an extra ingredient. Premium grade sirloin steak. I'm so excited. These are all the ingredients you need: those two noodles, some steak, and have some butter for the steak. I will put some Amazon links down in the description where you can get these if you're interested, so you can try them out for yourself at home. But otherwise, let's get cooking. We have ramdon noodles. I have made enough to give to my dad as well, but he doesn't want to be on camera today, so... Sirloin steak. Oh. The butter, oh my god, so good. I need kimchi, one sec. Kimchi, I literally cannot live without kimchi, so put it in, eat with the noodles. The crunch and the tanginess of the kimchi just, it goes perfectly together, and with steak as well. And yeah, putting only half of the packet of the hot powder is key, because this is perfect. It's not too spicy at all. So good. Banana milk once again. So recently I've been doing this 7-week online, it's called the Adobe Creators Camp, and basically they reached out and gave me 6 months free of the Creative Cloud. So I have all the programs I can use for 6 months to try it out and see if I like it. So it's like the Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Lightroom, Audition, After Effects, all of that jazz. So I'm slowly but surely trying to learn, especially Premiere Pro, because I've been meaning to do that for a while. And Photoshop I want to learn, and After Effects is more for like graphics, and you can like do cool stuff in your videos. That's much harder, but I really want to learn. And this segues nicely into the sponsor of our video, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative people like you and I. You can explore new skills, deepen existing ones, and get lost in creativity. They have classes on topics such as photography, video, entrepreneurship, art, marketing, and so much more. Since I am a content creator now, I just took a class called Learn Photoshop, Fundamentals for Getting Started by Kat Coquelet. And I am a complete beginner at Photoshop, but she made it very easy to follow along with her demonstrations and tips. It's curated specifically for learning, which means there are no ads, and they're always launching new premium classes, so you can stay focused and follow wherever your creativity takes you. And it's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. So Skillshare have kindly given me a link to give to you guys. So the first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get a free trial of premium membership. So you can go and explore and discover what creative classes you might want to take. So yeah, go check out Skillshare. Meanwhile, I'm gonna finish my noodles. So links down in the description. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.